Experiencing issues with your Verizon SIM card? Don't worry, we'll guide you through the fixes, like a friendly teacher would. The most common causes are incorrect SIM installation, activation problems, or network glitches. First, ensure your SIM card is properly inserted. Power off your phone, remove the SIM, and carefully reinsert it, making sure it's aligned correctly with the SIM tray. If you're using a physical SIM, make sure the gold contacts are clean and undamaged. If you've recently switched to Verizon or upgraded your phone, activation issues are common. Verify activation through the My Verizon app or website, needing IMEI, SIM number, and account details. With Verizon increasingly using eSIM, ensure your phone supports it and that activation was successful. A quick QR code scan usually resolves this. Note, Verizon's SIM-free activation, available on newer phones, simplifies this process significantly. Key takeaways: check SIM installation first, clean contacts if needed, verify activation details, and try eSIM QR scan for a quick fix. Let's start with reseating your SIM card, which means ejecting and reinserting it to clear any dust or contact issues. This is often the first advanced step if basic checks didn't work. Next, gently clean your SIM card with a soft, dry cloth. For example, like in this photo, wipe the golden contacts carefully to remove any dirt that might interfere with connectivity. Check for and install any available software updates on your device. Outdated firmware can cause SIM recognition issues, like when iPhone users on iOS 18 faced connectivity problems that were fixed by updates. Confirm your Verizon account is active and up to date on payments. An account suspension can make your SIM appear not to work, even if it's physically fine. For eSIM users, use Verizon's app with AI-driven diagnostics. It can remotely resolve issues and guide you through reactivation, like in their successful pilot with Samsung Galaxy S24 devices. If nothing works, contact Verizon support through their app or website. They can remotely diagnose problems related to network settings or account configurations. Remember, Verizon SIMs must be compatible with your device, especially with 5G. Look ahead to fully embedded SIMs for zero-touch connectivity. This diagram shows SIM card components that must work properly. Key takeaways: always try reseating first, keep your device updated, and use Verizon's tools for eSIM issues. Contact support if needed, and stay aware of compatibility as technology evolves.